Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our online electrical course. So today our course is related wire and wiring system. Wire and wiring system. So any kinds of work in building, in wiring, we need to wire. So wire is so many sizes in our wire as per our wiring system. So lighting wiring we can using in one kind of wire, and the power socket wiring we can using in another size of wire. So wire is most important in wiring times. So wire, what is the wire? I will explain about this one. Okay, wire and wiring system. Wire, the conductor which uniform dimension and insulated by single insulation and single flexible core is called wire. So wire is one kind of a conductor. Wire is one kind of conductor. There to current flow up to the equipment, and where if the live conductor there is current flow up to the equipment and equipment is on. If the switch is on, equipment is on. Okay, so this is one kind of a conductor, and this is a fixed dimension. This is coming in fixed dimension. It's like 2.5, 4 mm, 6 mm, like that. Okay, so this is coming in fixed, and this is insulated by single insulation, PVC type insulation. This is insulated by PVC type insulation, and wire is always flexible coming. Flexible sizes is coming in wire. So these are the our wire. Wire is coming in flexible sizes, and they are available in different sizes, sizes, as per our wiring requirement. Which types of wiring is you going to on in there? As per this one, wire is coming. Okay, so wire is available in color code as per our face color code: red, yellow, blue, black. So red we can using in L1 purpose, and yellow we can using in L2 purpose, and blue we can using in L3 purpose, and black we can using in neutral, common neutral purpose, and yellow green or yellow green we can using for the earthing purpose. So wire is the flexible core. This inside have the flexible core, and this is only for single insulation to come in, not in double insulation. Suppose cable are coming in double insulation with armor, but wire is only for single and flexible, coming in flexible. This is flexible. So these types of wire, the conductor which uniform dimension and insulated by single insulation and single flexible core is called wire. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear about the wire definition. Next one. Okay, standard wire size for wiring system. So if you go to in building or project, there have a standard wiring sizes. There is standard wiring sizes as per your drawing. As per your drawing, you can check the wire sizes. Which size is wire need there? How many wires you can using in wiring? Which types of wiring? So all are give the details in your drawing. First, if you go to wiring in building, industries and anywhere, first you need to require to drawing as per wiring system. Today your wiring is which kind of wiring? As per this one, you can require the drawing. So in so many sizes are wire is available in site. Okay, so especially standard wiring starting in 2.5 mm square to 1.5 mm square is not using for the wiring in standard wires. Okay, so 2.5 lighting wiring we can using in 2.5 square mm in lighting, any kinds of light, tube light, bulb. If you wiring in the lighting situation, light situation, that time you can using in 2.5 mm square wire. And golf is not allowed to use in 1.5 mm square. So this is not a standard wiring. In India, we can using some building in 1.5 mm square also, in water requirement also. But in golf, if you going to standard wiring in India also, you should be using 2.5 mm square for lighting purpose, lighting wiring purpose. And power socket outlet, power socket outlet is separate wiring, because in golf standard power socket wiring is coming in ring circuit. This is coming in after next chapter. I will explain about this one. So 2.5 using for the lighting purpose, and 4 mm square we can using for power socket outlet. Always power socket outlet is separate wiring, because if the standard wiring size, we need to 4 mm square for power socket and 2.5 square for lighting. So this is separate wiring, and this is also a power socket outlet is also coming in ring circuit. Okay, and next one is water heater. If you wiring in water heater, there also you can using in 4 mm square in water heater. You can using in 4 mm square cable. And window AC, we have the two types of AC, split AC and window AC. Central AC, this is another system. Okay, so in basically we have two types, split AC and window AC. So window AC 1.5 ton below we can using in 4 mm, but if you 1.5 ton to above we can using in 6 mm. As like a example, 2 ton we can using in 6 mm, but 1.5 window AC we can using in 1 ton, half ton, 1.5, that types of AC we can using in 4 mm square, 4 mm square wire. Okay, so signboard, some signboard in soap and any publication board, so that types of board we can using in 4 mm square for signboard purpose also. Split AC, split AC 6 mm square we can using in split AC in 6 mm square. Even this is 1.5 ton, but we can using in split AC is 6 mm square. Only window AC 1.5 1 ton we can using in 4 mm, but if 2 tons window AC we using in 6 mm square. Okay, and cooker control unit. Cooker control unit is coming in kitchen, inside the kitchen. Okay, so this also we can using in 6 mm square cable. In cooker control we can using in 6 mm square cable. So this water heater, window AC, signboard, split AC and cooker control unit, these all are wiring in 3 wires is coming there, 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earthing. This is normal wiring. And lighting wiring also normal wiring, there is also coming 1 phase, 1 neutral and 1 earth. But in power socket this is the ring circuit. So ring circuit means 6 wire is coming there. So we can take the little bit knowledge in drawing knowledge time. Okay, so power socket outlet we should be wiring in ring circuit, that time 6 wire is coming inside the power socket. And ceiling rose to lamp, ceiling rose to lamp. So in ceiling, some building are made by the ceiling model, maximum ceiling is coming, so there is we can using in ceiling rose, ceiling rose. Okay, ceiling rose. So ceiling rose to lamp, up to ceiling rose up to point dB to coming in 2.5 mm square for lighting purpose, 2.5 up to point, and then after we can fix their ceiling rose. and ceiling rose to outgoing cable up to device is like a bulb, tube light. That time we can using in 1.5 mm square flexible wire. We can using in 1.5 mm square 3 core into 1.5 mm square flexible cable. 3 core means this wire inside have the three wire, one phase, one neutral and one earthing. So we can using in ceiling rose to lamp 1.5 mm square. So this is the description of wire sizes and using purpose. Using purpose in standard wiring for wiring system. If you make the standard wiring, you should be follow the this sizes of cable and about this area. Okay, lighting, wiring, power, water heater, anywhere. So you can follow this schedule. Okay, so I hope all of you are writing in your notebooks also. This is the important for you. Okay, and next one. Okay, so convert to wire gauge to mm. So some wire is coming in gauges, but this is especially nowadays all wire are coming in mm. All wire are coming in mm. Okay, so in our India also now we can using in mm too, but sometimes coming in gauge also. So what is the gauge and convert to gauge? Two gauge wire. This means 6 square mm. This cable is 6 mm square. 2 gauge. If you writing the cable in 2 gauge, this means 6 mm square. 5 gauge means 4 mm square. 5 gauge means 4 mm, and 10 gauge means 2.5 mm square. 14 gauge 1.5 mm square, and 18 gauge 1 mm square. So this is the gauge, but maximum gauges are not coming in nowadays. Nowadays all are coming in already in mm. You can check the rule. They have writing in how many sides there is cable. This cable, this wire inside have writing in insulation. In cable insulation outside there is writing in 1 core 2.5 mm square PVC flexible wire. They are writing in like that. So you can check the there and do checking and using as per your drawing schedule, or what types of wire is you need. You can using in same sizes in as per your drawing schedule, or as per your wiring purpose. Already we have the wiring diagram, lighting for 2.5 and power socket for 4 mm. So you can check and do like that. Okay. So gauges are not coming in nowadays. Maximum not coming. Only 5% is coming in gauges. That time you can, if the gauge is writing here, you can convert to mm and use as per your wiring. Okay. So next one is okay, standard heights. Okay, standard heights of switches and panel installation. So if you going to wiring, first you need to switch box is there. First you can installation the switch box and make the points of the light, how many light is coming there, and where is the DB location. You can, before wiring, first you check three things. Number one, DB location and DB number, and number two is switch. Where is the switch of this device or equipment, and number three, points of the wiring system. So these all are given drawing. They are all in mentioned in drawing. So you can check this one. So before wiring, first you installation to switches box and DB boxes. Okay. So in lighting switch, water heater switch, air condition switch, and dryer switch. These are all coming in separate. Okay, so maximum these switch are we can installation in 1250 mm FFL to center of the switch box or switch. So this means 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, FFL means finishing floor level. I am already told this one. So finishing floor level to 1250 mm center of the switch box. Don't forget in writing in center. One boxes or one equipment have the three parts: middle parts, top parts, and bottom parts. So center means middle. Center means middle part of the equipment or switches, or top means top, and below base. So you three parts of this one. So this don't forget it writing in center. If you not writing in center there, this means confused. This is not correct answer, because one device and equipment three parts is divided: center part, top part, and bottom parts. Okay, so these kinds of switches: lighting, water heater, air condition, or hand dryer. If you fixing installation these kinds of switches, this height is should be coming 1250 mm FFL to center of the switch box or switches. Okay, so this is coming center of the switch box. This is the height, standard height. And cooker control unit. Cooker control unit always coming is inside the kitchen. Inside the kitchen. That this height is 1650 mm from FFL to center of the boxes. So this is also coming in center, middle part of the box. This means 165 centimeter. 1 meter 65 centimeter. Okay, so this is coming in FFL means finishing floor level. So always you can measure in FFL finishing floor level to, not in ceiling. Not ceiling level to measure, because your ceiling is not coming in equal all sides. So you can using in measurement always in FFL finishing floor level. Okay, and power socket outlet 450 mm from FFL to center of the boxes. So power socket wiring is separate wiring in golf. Okay, so power socket is always coming the downside. 45 centimeter center of the box. You can installation box is 450 FFL finishing floor level to 450 mm center of the box. Actuator we can using in on and off system. Only this have the on and off system. Actuator is available single phase and three phase also. Okay, so actuator auto installation 1500 mm from FFL to bottom of the boxes, bottom of the actuator. Okay, so 1500 1 meter 50 centimeter from FFL finishing floor level to 1 meter 50 centimeter bottom of the box. We can using in actuator. And distribution board, DB full form is distribution board. So the distribution board is always coming in 2200 mm from FFL to top of the DB. This means 2 meter 20 centimeter. Okay, 2 meter 20 centimeter top of the DB. So you can say this one. Don't forget in top, middle, or bottom. Okay, so there is writing in actuator in bottom and DB is top, and all switches are writing in center. So you don't forget this one. This is the main important of this sentence inside. This is the main important. Okay, so distribution board we can fix in 2 meter 20 centimeter top of the distribution board. And next one is SMDB, sub main distribution board. Sub main distribution board 100,000 mm from FFL to bottom of the SMDB. So this means this is we can installation in 1 meter from FFL to bottom of the SMDB 1 meter, because SMDB is coming big, not in distribution board is coming small, but in SMDB is coming big size. So we can be using in bottom, we can measure in bottom. Okay. And FACP, fire alarm control panel. FACP, fire alarm control panel. This is the installation height is 1800 mm from FFL to bottom of the panel. So this is 1 meter 80 centimeter bottom of the panel. We can installation in bottom of the panel. So this is the installation heights, and this one is types of installation. Which types of boxes you installation, switch or power socket, insulator, distribution board. As for this one, different heights. You can follow this one. Okay. So I hope all of you are clear about this one. Next. So this is the installation height. So I will explain. This is FFL. FFL. This is bottom level, floor finishing floor level, and there to center of the switch or center of the box. This is the center of box. You can check this one. There is, we can make the center measurement 1250 center. Okay. So this means 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay. Center of the switch box from FFL. This is the measurement. So you can always measure in finishing floor level to this one and installation. Okay. And FACP, fire alarm control panel, bottom of the FACP. Okay. So this is the bottom. So this part is bottom, here is center, and this is top. 3 parts. All equipments have 3 parts. I am already explained. So this is the bottom height. FFL, finishing floor level to bottom height 1800 mm. This is the bottom height. So switches, all switches, lighting switch, water heater switch, and dryer switch, and TP switch, and AC switch, any kinds of switch you can installation. That time you can follow 1250 center of the switch box. Okay, don't forget this one. And fire alarm control panel 1800 mm bottom of the fire alarm panel. You can check this one and measurement like that and installation to at site. And next one, okay, next one is SMDB and DB installation height. SMDB, shop main distribution board, and DB distribution board. DB full form is distribution board. So SMDB bottom of the SMDB from FFL. This is the bottom. Okay. So this is the bottom of the DB SMDB. Okay. So always SMDB is coming. Always SMDB is coming in 1 meter. This is wrong typing. Okay. So 1 meter. Here is coming 1 meter, not 1250. Okay. This is wrong typing. So you can hearing it. There is only 1 meter is coming bottom of the SMDB. 1 meter means 1000 mm. Okay. So this is wrong typing. And next one is DB distribution board 2200 mm. So FFL to 2200 mm is coming top of the DB. Top. This is top. Always DB we can measure in top of the DB. And SMDB is bottom of the SMDB. And SMDB always coming in 1 meter. Okay. This is, you can write in here 1000 mm. Okay. 1000 mm. You can writing in here 1000 mm. Okay, so this is the SMDB. Yes, because SMDB is coming big size and DB is coming small size. So big size we can measure always in bottom. and bottom to how many height is coming. So sometimes this height also changes in electrical room situation. Sometimes electrical room have the some other accessory is coming there, another system is coming there. It's like a control system is coming also in electrical system. There have no place. There have the no place. Little bit problem. So that time your engineer is make the next height. Make the next height and give to schedule DB schedule. This is sometimes only 5%. If the electrical room have some issues, that time this measurement is changes, but 95% coming is same measurement. 95% coming in same measurement. Okay, so auto installation we can already give the diagram also. Switches and fire alarm control panel and SMDB panel and another DB distribution board. Auto installation, what is the meaning of bottom, what is the meaning of center, and what is the meaning of top. So all are I am explained. So all equipments are three parts. We can measuring in three parts: bottom, top, and center. Okay. So you can check this one as per our diagram and as per the standard heights and installation at site or building. Okay. So next one. So next is lighting switch connection system. Lighting switch connection system. So lighting switch we have this is the important for you, how to connect in lighting switch and how many types of light switches. So we have 4 types of lighting switches. One way connection, H for connection. Okay, so lighting switch are so many model, but H for connection we have 4 types to connection in lighting switch. One way connection, two way connection, intermediate connection, and next one is modem wiring and connection. So we have 4 types of connection. One way is basic connection. Okay, so maximum coming in one way, and some places there is coming two way as per drawing requirement, as per building owner requirement. You can installation two way connection also, and intermediate same like that as per the drawing or as per building owner or as per drawing design, what writing in their symbol. So you can using in intermediate wiring or intermediate connection also. And Godam wiring we can using in Godam wiring in Godam types store, some storage area, very long storage, big store. So there have the so many materials are storing in there. So that types of place we can using in Godam wiring. So one by one I will explain how to wiring in one way, how to wiring in two way, intermediate and Godam. One by one with diagram I will explain you. Okay, first is lighting switch connection. First is one way connection. First connection is one way connection. This is the basic. If you take the knowledge of wiring, if you are the new electrician, this is basic. So first you take the knowledge of one way connection, and then after you can enter in other connection. Okay, so this is the basic wiring system. Basic wiring system. Wiring system in electrical. So if you enter in electrical, that time you should be take the knowledge of this simple thing. First is basic wiring system, and this types of connection is control the load from one place. Only one place to we can control the load on off. we can using in only one switch, and this switch to how many lights, 1 2 3 4, how many light is required there, one place to on and off. If you need, we can on the switch, no need, we cannot on the switch. So wiring system is there. DB, distribution board to 3 wire is coming. In standard wiring we should be using in 3 wire with PE, protective earth. Earth is required in standard wiring. Okay, so not wiring in bypassing, only phase and neutral, and not using in wire, earthing wire. This is not allowed. This is not pass inside consultant. So you should be standard wiring is doing there. Wire is all are give to you. All are given this. Not using in bypassing in short ways. Okay, so as per your drawing requirement, you should be wiring in this as per your drawing requirement. So this is the correct. Okay, so here is 3 wires coming there. L, N, P. So this means L means line. So line we can using in red wire, and neutral we can using in black wire, and earthing we can using in green wire. Okay, so green wire you check there. This green wire is going to device also and coming switch also. You should be wiring it like that. Both side we need to earthing for protect any electrical shocks, any electrical hazard is coming there. That time control by the earthing P. Any electrical shock is coming, this is direct going to earth in grounded. Okay, so you see there to phase wire is coming direct in DB to phase wire is direct coming in switch. Okay, and neutral is direct going to neutral lamp. This means in the standard wiring, neutral wire is not required in switch box. No required. Switch is coming in separate. Okay, so in India we can put switch box inside the power socket also. Okay, so power socket using time we should be need the neutral wire also, but in bulbs no, in switch place not coming in power socket. So power socket wiring is we can using in another size wire, 4 mm wire we can using. This lighting wiring we can using in 2.5 mm square. So difference now 2.5 mm and 4 mm. Lighting purpose bulb using in 2.5 mm square, and power socket 4 mm. So power socket is not coming the switch box inside. Switch box inside only lighting switch is coming there. So there is not allowed to put the neutral inside the switch box. So neutral is direct going to lamp, and earthing is going to both sides, device side also and switch side also. Okay, you can connect like that. Okay, so you can using in this one. First you can put the direct in device, then device to one wire is return give to here. Here is I make the joining, but this means 2 wire is required, so I give you. So not like a joint this one here to another return coming here. Okay, so this is coming in return here, and one another point to switch have normal common switch, one way switch have 2 terminal, one incoming and one outgoing, and this is the earthing. This is coming in box, inside have the earthing. Okay, so one way switch have 2 terminal, one phase incoming and another is up wire going, light to coming wire. So now this is the open condition, so light is not on. If the switch is on, this arrow is touched there, this means supply is coming there, and after lamp is on. So this switch is now and normally open condition. Okay, not in NC, normally closed condition is not there. So this is the one way connection, one way connection. Lighting wiring always coming in only 3 wires, not in 6 wires. Okay, 3 wires, 2.5 mm square. Okay, clear about this one? Okay, next one. Next is two-way connection, two-way wiring and connection. Okay, so two-way, first two-way, where we can using in two-way. First you can take the knowledge of this one. If you have the drawing already mentioned, they have the one-way or two-way wiring system. But no have drawing which types of wiring we can using in two-way. If you wiring in hall or staircase or passage, staircase, hall, big hall, we can using in two-way wiring, and passage, running passage. Okay, that this area we can using in two-way wiring. So two-way wiring, these types of connection control the load from two different places. So these types of connection is control the load in two different places. Two switch is using for two-way wiring. One is one area, one is installation one area, and another is another area. Two different places, not same together fixed in two switch. Different area. Suppose one is staircase. If you wiring in staircase, start point 1 2-way is installation, and end of the staircase, that time we can using in another two-way, not in together joint. Okay, so separate place and two wires and two switches. So two-way switches inside have 3 terminal. One way only 2 terminal, one incoming and another outgoing. But in two-way there have three connection is there. You see three terminal plug. Center is coming common, and L1 and L2, and another also same switches is L1 and L2. So this is the wiring diagram. This is wiring diagram. So we can using in here also phase, neutral and earthing. Okay, so this is one switch and this is another switch. So suppose you are wiring in hall. So this is your entrance hall area, and hall is very big, and another one is last part of the hall. Okay, so DB, this is your DB to incoming wire. DB to incoming wire, phase wire, neutral wire and earthing. DB to incoming. So this two-way switch, this one, this two is two-way switch, and there have the phase is direct going to common terminal, and L1 to looping, L1 to L2, L1 looping in two switches. This is two switches, two-way. This is two-way switch, this is two-way, and L2. So we can need two loop wire, L1 to one switch to another switch. Two loop wire is needed. We can fix the two loop wire here. Okay, so this is using purpose for loop wiring. Okay, and next one, DB to direct going to neutral is equipment or device, because not allowed to put the neutral inside the switch. And earthing wire we can divide it. We can put there. First direct going to one switch, then another going to another switch and device. Okay, so this is the wiring system of two-way. So how to this lamp is on? So two-way always have the this is not in on and off direction. This sometimes upside bottom also two-way. Here have the two-way bottoms. Okay, so sometimes upside also working with one condition, and sometimes downside also work in condition. Okay, working condition. So on is working condition. Both side on and both side off. There have no any off and no any on position. But in single way, on and off position have the switch, but two-way have no off and on position. Anywhere. Suppose you going to staircase, you can on like that. Okay, so supply is going there, and after you go there, off. This means off side is off. So somebody, another person is coming, again on. This is already on condition, but light is not on because you go off side and there is off. So this is pushing off side. Again light is on. So two-way system. This is the two-way system. Both side to supply is coming there. Both side to. Not there have the no direction of on and off. Sometime downside on, sometime upside on. So this is no direction, but one way have the only one direction. On means you push downside and on. If you push the upside of switch, this means off, one way switch. But we have no system this one. So what is the difference between one way and two way? You can this is question is coming, so that time you can tell. One way is basic wiring system. One way switch inside have only two terminal. Two way have inside have three terminal point. And one way switch no need to loop wire. We can using loop wire. This two wire, two switch to L1 to L1 loop, L2 to L2 loop. Okay, we can using in loop wire. But in one way we cannot need to loop wire. So two way especially we can using in hall, staircase and others area. All staircase, passage and as per owner requirement area. But in India we can using our bedroom and bedroom to room wall we can using in like that. But in especially Gulf we can using in staircase, hall and passage, corridor, passage and corridor. Okay, we can using in these types of switch. So wiring is very easy. One side to DB wire is DB face is connect one side, and after device face, device to off wire is coming in common place, and these two wire need to looping. Very easy wiring this one. Okay, so no need to this device to direct coming in here common. One side you can give the face wire, and another side you can give in off wire. So this off wire no need to come in here. This face wire no need to going in another switch. This already have the looping system. This looping system is give the two-way power supply. Two-way power supply anywhere to you on and off. So earthing is required for the protective situation. Electrical shock, control the electrical shock. So this is the wiring system of two-way wiring. And two-way wiring always, two-way switches always coming in three terminal. One-way switch, two terminal. You can care about this one. Okay, so this is the difference between one-way and two-way switches. And next one. Next one is intermediate connection, intermediate wiring and intermediate connection. So this is maximum in using in Godam area also intermediate wiring, but in Gulf we can using in maximum staircase because one building is very high, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor like that. So these types of connection we can control the load in different three places. We can using in three switches and we can control in different three places. This type of switch connection control the load different three places. Okay, so we can using in three switch. This means two-way switch and one intermediate switch. So two-way switch have 3 terminal, single switch have 2 terminal, and intermediate switch have 4 terminal. There is coming 4 terminal. Okay, this kind of wiring is coming in 4 terminal. Okay, this kind of connection is used for the staircase, and intermediate switch have 4 terminals, 4 terminals points. Okay, so especially this is using in staircase. Suppose ground floor, first floor and second floor, we can controlling in one circuit to using 3 switches. So intermediate switch we can using in intermediate switch and two-way switch. Okay, so this switch is coming in the middle of the two-way switch. So intermediate switch is always coming middle between two-way switch. Suppose example, first floor you can control first floor, second floor and third floor is 3 switches. So you can installation first floor is two-way switch and third floor is two-way switch, but second floor you can using in intermediate switch. Always coming center of two-way switch. Without, if you put in first floor in intermediate, this circuit is not working. So always coming in intermediate switch, center part of the two-way switch. So I will give 2 example for you. First, second, third floor. If you can control like that, second floor coming in intermediate switch, first floor coming in two-way, and third floor coming in two-way switch. So this is the wiring system. So always coming in center. So intermediate switch have 4 terminal. Two-way switch have 3 terminal. Intermediate switch have the 4 terminal. Okay, so you can writing in this one definition of intermediate switch. So wherein using, what is intermediate switch and how many terminal is there, and where is coming, which location to coming in intermediate switch. So these 3 parts you can take the put your note also, and you can take in your mind. Okay, so let's go in next. So this is the connection of intermediate switch. Connection of intermediate switch. You see they have already writing in, this is one and this another two-way switch, and this one is intermediate switch. This one is intermediate switch. Always coming the middle part. One side two-way, another side two-way. So middle coming in intermediate switch. So 3 place to control we can. This is first floor. Example, this is first floor, this is second floor, and this is third floor. 3 area to control the this one light. This is only one light in this one, but we can control in 3 place. So we can using in 3 lights also, floor wise light also. We can using first floor 1 light, second floor 1 light, third floor 1 light. But if you on, 3 light is on. If you off, 3 light is off. So any, if light 3, 4, 5, any how many you require as per, you can put the light. Wiring system is this one. If the more light, you can looping light. Loop the light, phase neutral and earthing. Give the another light also give the looping. 3 wires. But wiring system is same like that. Okay. So this there have the phase DB2 coming in center of the two-way switch. DB2 phase wire is coming, and neutral is going direct device. Neutral is going to the lamp, and earthing all have the all piece going to earthing. Okay, 3 switches all are going to earthing, and device also going to earthing. And next one, this light to off wire is going to another two-way switch. First two-way switch coming in power supply from DB. and last two-way switch of wire is going to last two-way switch from lamp to going one phase wire is direct in last two-way switch. Okay, so in middle part of the switch now we can connect in intermediate switch. That time we need to four loop. This you see there have the two wire from one two-way switch and two wire for another two-way switch. Four wire is required for looping purpose in intermediate switch. So this two-way switch 1 and 2, another two-way switch 1 and 2. These 2 points. So first two-way switch to one loop wire is going to top side of the intermediate switch. There have the 4 terminal. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terminal is there. Okay. So first two going in top side 1 terminal, and number 2 to going in another top side terminal. This is and next switch, next two-way switch, first point to going downside 1 terminal point, and second to coming downside another terminal point. This means 4 wire is coming. Two-way, one two-way to 2 wire, 1 and 2. 2 wire is coming. Another two-way to 2 wire is coming. Total 4 wire is termination here. 4 wire is termination here. So they are already inside have the crossing system. This already have inside. This is already inside switch is coming. No need to this. We can no need to put the wire in this one. This is automatic already coming in there. Okay, so we can only wiring in loop wire only. So this light is now on condition. You see lamp is on condition. So how to on? Suppose this is first floor, second floor, third floor. So you want to go in third floor in there. Okay, so you want to go to third floor. You are coming in ground floor. Now this two-way switch have both side is on and off. Not this is off and this is on. This is not required. Sometimes this is also on and sometimes this is also on. Okay, so you coming ground, you can push the switch. This means touching in this terminal number 2. This switch is touching in number 2. So number 2 to where going, you can see the loop direct going in intermediate switch here. Here to crossing already have the bypassing. Okay, inside the switch, and this switch to where going, number 2 of the another two-way switch. So here to already here is joined. Okay, connect, and direct supply is going lamp. This means phase supply is already coming up to here. If you push the switch in ground floor through this intermediate switch to going another two-way switch, and two-way switch to again coming in lamp. Already neutral wire is here. Already connecting in neutral wire, always connecting device. This means light is on condition. Okay, so you can going in here third floor. So you want to enter the room. So you want to off this wire, this light. That time you can push this. This means this arrow is touch here now. So here touching means you can see here touching this line to coming here. Intermediate switch, through intermediate switch bypassing coming offside. There is open. No sir. So light is off. Now if this one is on touch, this means light is on. But now you see there too, you go there and off. Off means you can push offside. Offside means this one is connect here. This is open now. And this open means this connect here. So here too you can check the supply coming in intermediate, and there to bypassing going in two-way. Number one is already open, so your main phase is coming in number one switch. So this is no torch, this means open condition, NO condition, normally open condition, so light is not on. So if another person is coming, again he can push this one, this means this is again connect and going to supply return path. Okay, so this is the wiring system of intermediate switch. So intermediate switch, you can care about this one, always coming in center part of the two-way switch, intermediate switch. And intermediate switch have the 4 terminals, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is important for you. And two-way intermediate switch have need 4 loop wire. Number one, two-way switch to 2 wire is going top of the intermediate switch termination. Same like it. This is number 1, this is number 2 switching. Okay, so number 1 to 2 looping wire is going there, 1 and 2, top side of the intermediate. Intermediate already have the bypassing system. This already have the bypassing system. Okay, we cannot wiring in this one. This already inside have the switch. So another two-way switch to direct loop 2 wire is coming downside of the intermediate switch. Very easy diagram is there. You can see in clear. And phase wire is going to one two-way switch. Common. Neutral wire, I am already told, always going in direct equipment or device, not going in switch. If you can take the switch in neutral wire, the consumption is not past this one. This is not allowed in Gulf. Our India we can using because we have the in switch together power socket also. So power socket, if power socket is together, we need to neutral wire. So we can using in neutral wire in switches. But Gulf power socket is coming separate, and this is coming in FFL to 450 mm only height. So switches is coming 1 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, so this is the difference, height also difference, and wiring size, wire size also difference. Lighting we can using in 2.5 and power socket we can using in 4 mm. So we cannot combining together in switch and power socket together. So this is the wiring system. So you should be clear about this one. In Gulf, if you wiring, you think neutral, you cannot be taken up to the switch point. Neutral you can direct give to the device or equipment point. No need to coming in switch. But our thing is required everywhere. In switch area also, equipment area also, how many switch separate you can our thing is coming there, looping by the loop system, parallel system. We can using in parallel, not in series system. Okay, so in Gulf now standard wiring we can using in parallel. All are coming in parallel. This wiring all is coming parallel, not in series. Series is old model. This is not using anywhere. India also not using that one. Okay, so today just a first class we are complete about the what is the wire and sizes of wire. As per sizes where we can using lighting wire size, power socket wire sizing, and water heater, AC, hand dryer, all split AC which size of we can explain about this one. And lighting switch connection system. So we have the 4 types of system. We can talking about one way, two way, and intermediate. Now Godam is balanced. So Godam I will tell you next class. Okay. So we have complete about this one. I hope all of you are watch this video and clear about this one. Okay. Wish you all the best. Thank you.